rejection. Many times in your life, you'll have to face rejection. That rejection could be from a potential partner, life partner that you are looking for, somebody whom you are in love with, or just for marriage purpose if you are looking for a life partner. And jobs, when you go for an interview and you didn't clear it, there comes a rejection. So many times in life you will have to deal with rejection. Now rejection needs one basic fundamental thing in you in order to handle rejection. See, you went there for an interview. If you went there is a role that you are supposed to play there, right? That you are going to play if you are selected. So when they reject you, when any company rejects you, what does that mean? Did they reject you as a real person? Or did they reject you playing that role, right? And we are not supposed to play, we are not supposed to play 10,000 roles in this world perfectly. There will always be ups and downs. There will always be, things that require change in us. We may be good for something. We may be really bad for something, which is okay. I became a really good computer software professional. But if my parents would have, put me on the track of making a doctor out of me, I would have been a really impatient doctor. I used to tell them, I can't even be a good patient. Forget about making me a doctor. So we may be good at something, we may be bad at something. That when the rejection comes, you should not take it personally. You are not being rejected for who you are. You are being rejected for a role that you were about to play. Same thing goes for the people in life, right? Somebody thinks, this person is not going to be perfect for me and I just do not want them. And you may like so much that person. But understand one thing. Life sometimes gives you rejection because you are on the wrong track. You are not supposed to land there. Whenever a rejection happens, celebrate it. Why? What if a door opens where you were not supposed to go, and 2-3 years down the lane, 5 years down the lane, you decide, oh God, I actually took a wrong turn in my life. I entered the wrong door and now I'm about to take a U-turn. You're just wasting time in your life. So whenever a rejection happens, the universe has a different thing planned for you. Keep your mind open, keep your heart open, and do not crib about it and do not feel so much bad about it. Don't take it personally ever at all. When one thing stops, when one door closes, there will be many that will open. And especially the ones which are right for you will open when you are ready for them. We think that, God is not working this way, that way, and my dreams are not coming true. I had this dream about my career, that dream about my life partner and this and that, and nothing is coming true. Well, are you ready? Ask yourself what you are ready for. You are exactly getting what you are ready for. Every rejection is teaching you something, isn't it? All failures, all rejections in life teach us something about ourselves. So this whole journey of life is about learning about ourselves, exploring ourselves. How else do you think you will explore yourself? If you go to the first job, you get it, you stay there for the rest of your life, does that mean you actually lived a life? You had good enough experience? No. When you hit so many doors, some of them closes, some of them will open, some of them will life will let you have experience through that thing. Then you are actually exploring yourself. Then you are actually learning about yourself. And this whole life is all about learning about ourselves, knowing who we are. It's a journey of knowing who you are. And that can best be learned when you have to handle roadblocks, when you have to handle rejections. So just don't worry about it too much. Don't take it personally. Just see what lesson did it teach you. If you really felt angry about it, then I did this much, I did that I did that much, and still I couldn't make it. Then just think about that it's the right thing that has happened, and what aspect of you is actually playing out. What aspect of you is now coming out when it comes to rejection? That helps you know you.